Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, January the 20th, 2025. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. And it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic number 9943. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. But the publisher has indicated this with the 4-stars puzzle. And for 4-stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 2. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1 then. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the 1 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Same with the other side. This box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 in the same area. So this box should be a 4 then. Alright. Then my next question is, do we have here quadra boxes? Quadra boxes, see here quadra box, here another quadra box. Here I cannot fill this yet, insufficient information. Here, these two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here, also a quadra box. Insufficient information right now. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. We have more of these kind of shapes. Let me see. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape that you need to recognize. How about the T shape, rotated? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. And then let me see. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left with 4 in this W area shape supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left with 4 in this area supposed to be there. And then these 2 boxes can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. But also this box can be a 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Yeah. 2. Well, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Think. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Is connected with that box, so 3 and the 5. Well. Think. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4, but I don't think this box should be a 4. If this box is a 4, then that box, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 there. So not the solution placed 4 there, the only place left for 4 should be here then. Okay, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now, these 2 boxes can be 1, and those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there, so the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Come on. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. Okay. 2. Well, I'm stuck here. No 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. So I need a 1 in this area. The 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. No 1. 1. Ay. 1, 2, 4, 3, or 5. Come on. This is taking too long. I'm stuck. 2. Can be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. This box can also not be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2. 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Okay, these two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left on the 3 in this quadra box. Supposed to be there. Is connected with that box should be so a 3. 3 or 5, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be so 5. 1 box left now in this area for number 3. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. Okay. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 here, so this can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. Well, 2 numbers left in this quarter box for the numbers 1 and 2. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be definitely a 3, and that box should be a 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes, and there. Then, let me think. Think. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Mark those two boxes with 2. We have a 2 now, so this can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3. And the 1, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Mark those two boxes with 1. We have a 1 now, so this can be 1 anymore. That box should be 1, so the 4 and the 5 are left. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this W area shape supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so this can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left now for numbers 3 and the 5. Okay. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. This box should be a 5 then. And that box should be a 3. Okay. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape supposed to be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3. And the 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We go up. I need to trigger those. Should be 4 and a 5 here. Yeah, this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 4 or a 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 4 or a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area. For numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Alright. Then, let me see. 14 minutes already passed. Need to hurry. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. Well, this box can be 3, so and that box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quarter box supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Here also 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 and the 4. We have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 4 or a 5. I need a 2 here in this area. 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 2 should be there. We already have a 2 here, so can it be a 2 anymore? That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5 is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So 4. 1 box left now in this T-shaped area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this area for number 3. 1 and a 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, we solved it again, Not the 4, not the 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. So let me give this a 2 stars, and we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.